Alright, evidently nobody in the world knows how fast coil springs can move. So I'm going to do this little test here. We've got about 6 feet of spring, and they're 25 pound rated. So let's see what happens here. Hadn't really done anything to mitigate friction. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. They're completely compressed. And we're at 22 inches. So 3, 2, 1. Alright. That was pretty good. Let's do it again. How about that? I am, however, these are not flat bottom springs, flat cut springs, so I'm lining up the ends of the springs so that they all kind of stay centered, and it actually keeps the coils kind of pressed flat against each other. I don't know if I've seen anybody do this, so I guess if I had, we'd know what the number is. One more time. Flat. 22 inches. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think we're going to get some numbers out of that.